In this video, I'll show you how to clear Facebook search history. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Facebook account, right? Click on this on your account. Click on the settings and privacy. Click on the activity log. So if you love to clear your Facebook search history, it's very easy. It's very easy. Click on this, your search history, right? Right now, you're gonna see a whole lot of options. You're gonna see your searches, like from the very first to the very last time you searched here on Facebook. So I think my very first search here on Facebook was on 9 September 2024. Should be like 8 or 7 or 6 months ago. So if you love to clear the search history, what you want to do right now, just click on this clear searches. Right? You can see I just cleared my searches right now on Facebook. So yeah, that is basically how you can clear your search history here on Facebook. If you find it very helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.